Now I'm going to show you how to turn percents into decimals. So for the first one, we have 37%. You remember when we're turning the decimals into percent, we move 2 times to the right? Well, it's opposite for these. When you have a whole number percent, there's actually, right here where the percent is, there's a little decimal, a make-believe decimal, where you're moving the percent. So what you would do is move 2 times to the left. So then you end up with 0.37 or 0.37. That's what it would be as a decimal. Now, for part B, we have 26.5%. So now this one actually has a decimal. So you move from the decimal 2 times to the left. So that gives you 0.265 or 0.265. Now, we also have this one. It's a 3-digit whole number percent. So what we do is from the percent, we move 2 times to the left. So then you're left with 1.27 or 1 and 27 hundredths. Okay, so that's what that would be. So now we have another decimal percent, 0.9%. So now we take this decimal, so let me write this out, 0.9%, give it a little bit more space. So now from the decimal you move 1, 2. So now there's an empty space right here. Where there's an empty space, you put a 0. And when it represents nothing, it's 0. So that's 0.009 or 0.009. We have thousandths. Okay. And then this one's a little bit more detailed. Now this right here, we can actually turn it. We can turn this part, fix that so it'll look more like a percent or per 100. So what I'm going to do is take this 19 out of 20 and I'm going to change it to something out of 100 to make it easier to deal with for the decimal. So 20 goes into 100 5 times. So 19 times 5, that gives you, what does it give you? 95. So this is really saying 2.95%. So now we can convert this easily like we did the others. So we'll move 2 times to the left. 1, 2. To the left, 2 times. So now in the empty space, you get a 0. So now you're left with 0.0295. So, and then you put a 0 in front, make it more appropriate. So 0.0295%. Okay, so that's what that one is. And then finally, we have 167 1/3%. So now I'm going to do the same thing for this, the third. The third is actually 0.33333 repeating. So I can write this. I can convert it for you. So you know that, I'll show you exactly what it is. So you're taking 1 divided by 3. 1 divided by 3. Can 3 fit into 1? No. But can it fit into 10? Yes, it can. 3 times. That gives you 9. Subtract. You have 1 left. So look at this. 3 go into 1, and then you bring down a 0. So 3 goes into 10. 3 times. Notice what's going on. It's repeating. So this number is actually 167.33 repeating percent. So now we can easily convert this. So remember, 2 times to the left, to the left, to the left, 1, 2. So now I have 1.6733 repeating or 1.673. It's rounded. Okay, and that's how you turn a percent into a decimal.